Hello, everyone. This is your crypto intelligence officer. Let's check the time first. It's 7:00 a.m. Eastern Time, Sunday, December 7th, 2025. For our friends in China, it's 8:00 p.m. Beijing time on December 7th. Brothers, today's market can be described as deadly. Bitcoin is hovering around the $90,000 mark. And many people are wondering, is this the final calm before a crash? Or a deep squat before takeoff? If you rate currently holding a lot of alt coins and watching your account shrink, it's definitely not a good feeling. But I wanted to tell you that thing. More challenging the situation, the more calm you need to be. Today, intelligence is very important, including analysis of key Bitcoin levels. A red alert issued in China for you traders and OTC circles, and the earth-shattering moves following. Zhao Changpeng's CZ amnesty. Of course, if you feel the market is bad and want to find some safe havens, today I'll also guide you step by step on how to ambush Apu blockchain. Airdrops worth tens of billions. Without further ado, buckling up. And let's get straight to today. Score Intelligence. Section 1. Today's crypto market news. Overview and macroeconomics. First, let's focus on the market, which is of utmost concern to everyone. 1. Market panic. Bitcoin faces a lifeline. The current market data is quite worrying. Bitcoin is currently priced around $89,472, vacillating within an narrow range of $88,000 to $90,000. Everyone must keep a close eye on the support level of $88,000, according to the latest liquidation heat map. If it breaks below $88,000, it could trigger a chain reaction of liquidations of approximately $500 million in long positions. That would be a bloodbath. The resistance level is at $91,000. Without breaking through, a reversal is unlikely. Market sentiment indicators have now dropped to extreme fear, with a fear index of only 20. Why is everyone so afraid? Because everyone is waiting for the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision in 3 days, on December 10th. Although the market expects a nearly 90% probability of a 25 basis point rate cut, which is theoretically a positive development, current funds are seeking safe havens, a classic case of selling off before the positive news is realized. 2. Institutional secret maneuvering. However, there is a very interesting divergence here. Retail investors are panicking selling, but global sovereign wealth funds are quietly entering the market. Data shows they are establishing a so-called soft bottom in the 8,000 to 88,000 range. What does this mean? It means large funds believe the current price is a long-term buying opportunities. Therefore, if there is a sharp drop in the next few days, don't easily sell your shares at a loss. 3. Exchange turnover. Binance and OKX's strategic differences. Let's look at the major personnel changes at exchanges. Binance has entered a new era. Co-founder Yi. He has officially assumed the role of co-CEO, sharing the reins with Richard Tang. This is an extremely strong signal. Everyone knows Richard handles compliance, while Yi is the soul of Binance, responsible for trafficking community buildings and coin listings. His rise signifies that while maintaining compliance, Binance is also rekindling its former aggressive spirit, accelerating its coin listing pace and product innovation. By the way, Binance just announced it has surpassed 300 million global users. That's an astonishing number. Meanwhile, OKX is playing a much bigger game, focusing on the privacy track. OKX recently launched a new coin called Midnight Network Night, a sidechain of the Cardano ecosystem. Given the tightening global regulations expected in 2025, such compliant privacy projects that protect privacy while allowing auditing are likely to be a major trend in 2026. Second section, high risk warning, the darkest hour for you, merchants, and the OTC market. In this next section, I need to be a bit more serious. If you're AU, merchants, or planning any large deposits or withdrawals, please turn up the volume. 1 joint warnings from 7 associations. The strongest warning of 2025. Just 2 days ago, on December 5th, a significant document was released in China. Joint lie issued by 7 major associations, including the China Internet Finance Association and the China Banking Association. This is not an ordinary risk warning. It's a coordinated crackdown by the entire financial sector. The core changes in this warning are threefold. First, it names explicitly stablecoins, previous lie. The crackdown targets TED, cryptocurrencies speculation. Now it explicitly targets USDT as a payment tool. Regulators are very aware of USDT's role in cross-border capital flows. Second, it defines RWA real-world assets for the first time. Any RWA not approved domestically is considered red illegal. Third, it strictly investigates the responsibility of those who should have known previous lie. If you received illicit funds, you could say I didn't know now. If the other party trades frequently and is not registered under their real names, and you still trade with them, you would be considered red to have should have known, directly constituting the crime of aiding and abetting fraud. 2. A life-saving advice for you merchants. Intelligence Officer Gemini especially reminds everyone the end of the year is the peak period for card-breaking operations and money laundering crackdowns. Immediately stop accepting any large orders from unfamiliar faces. Funding segregation. Your payment cards must be physically separated from your mortgage card and salary card. If you get caught, don't let your whole family be implicated during the new year. Stay away from USTC. It's also worth mentioning USTC, formerly Terra stablecoin, OKX will stop withdrawals on December 22nd. This is the countdown to zero. Don't tree to buy the dip and catch a falling knife. 3. RWA scam exposed. Scammers are now keeping up with the times, using the RWA name to commit fraud. There are 3 main pitfalls in the market that you must avoid. The first is a fake Ponzi scheme. For example, recently there's an app called BlackRock or RWA, claiming to be affiliated with BlackRock and offering a dolly return of 1%. This is absolutely fake. Genuine U.S. Treasury bonds only offer an annualized return of 4% to 5% with these apps. Once you deposit USDT, you can never withdraw it. The second type is junk asset packaging. They package unfinished buildings in Southeast Asia and mines in 3rd or 4th tier cities as NFTs and sell them to you. This constitutes illegal fundraising. The third type is pyramid schemes. Any RWA that requires you to recruit others and offers tied red commissions, no matter how sophisticated it sounds, is essentially a Ponzi scheme. Remember this, in USDT trading, London Vitae is more important than high profits. Section 3. In-depth analysis of mainstream cryptocurrencies and new projects. Now that we discussed risks, let's talk about opportunities. In this section, we'll focus on a recently incredibly popular project, Hyperliquid HYPE. 1. Hyperliquids, more than just a DEX. Many viewers have asked me why Hype has broken into The top 20 by market capitalization, reaching a market cap of $10 billion. Brothers, don't just see it as another DYDX or GMX. Its positioning is **KHIGH Performance L1 Public. Chain designed specifically for financial transactions ***. Why is it valuable? It solves the problems of slow and expensive on-chain transactions, offering a smooth experience, almost identical to Binance, without requiring signatures for every transaction. Furthermore, its token distribution is very fair, with 30% minus 40% allocated to the community, preventing large VCs from waiting to unlock tokens and dump them. This is the current LY popular fair launch narrative. How to make money, core gameplay. Besides buying tokens, the hyper-liquid ecosystem offers a feature called HLP. Simply put, you deposit USD can become a market maker on the exchange. When traders lose money, you profit. Historical data shows that HLP's annualized return AP fluctuates between 40% and 100%, of course. In the event of a large, one-sided price surge where all traders profit, you may experience a short-term pullback, making it a high-risk, high-return investment. Tools. Valuation logic. A current market capitalization of $10 billion is indeed not cheap, but if it can develop an ecosystem like Solana, encompassing various lending stablecoins and meme coins, then it still has room for growth. If it remains solely at the exchange level, it might be overvalued now. Everyone should make their own judgment. 2. Market hot topics. Memes and big player movements. Meme sector. Recently, a project called Bitcoin Hyper, claiming to be Bitcoin L2, has generated a lot of buzz, but its volatility is extremely high. There's also Maxi, which focuses on a HIGH leveraged gambling culture. These are products of the end of the bull market, purely driven by speculative sentiment. You can play around, but don't risk your life savings. Big player movements. Although Changpeng Zhao CZ has resigned, he hasn't been idle. Latest intelligence indicates that the family office supported by CZ is plotting a boarding coup to try and control a U.S.-listed companies. The NB network. This is CZ digging new moats for his crypto empire, escalating the overt exchange battle into a game of power at the capital level. Meanwhile, Justin Sun is quietly making a fortune. His Tron account has surpassed 350 million, and he has monopolized fiat currency deposits and withdrawal channels in third-world countries through USDT payment networks. This is the real cash cow. Section 4. Airdrop intelligence and practical tutorials. Finally, we come to everyone's favorite part, airdrop hunting. Today's market is a golden opportunity for double liquidation of long and short positions, picking up money from airdrops. 1. Urgent check. Aster eligibility check. The Stage 3 airdrop snapshot for Aster, a decentralized derivatives exchange, has ended. The release date is December 15th. Immediate action. Go to the airdrop checker page on the Aster website. Connect your wallet and check how many points you have. This is currently the most certain big win. And if you've interacted with it before, you're likely to profit. Don't forget to keep some BNB or ETH in your wallet for gas fees. 2. Key ambush. Abstract chain. This is today's main event. Abstract is an L2 blockchain developed by the well-known NFT project Pudongji Y Penguins, and they're very well funded. The main NET is expected to launch in January 2025. And now is the last window of opportunity to participate in the Genesis airdrop. The streamlined process is as follows. Take notes. Step 1. Register an AGW wallet. Go to the official website abs.xyz and log in with your email address. Note that you must use your email address. It will automatically generate an abstract global wallet AGW, which is crucial for future airdrop weightings. Step 2. Claim your badge. After logging in, claiming the early bird badge. This is a key. Credentials against Sybil attacks, and your identity as an early user. Step 3. Cross-chain. Claim some Sepolia test tokens and use the official bridge to transfer ETH to the abstract test net. Step 4. Increase activity. Do a swap once a week or play some mini games within their ecosystem. This doesn't require spending real money, just time based on the style of the Fat Penguin team. This is definitely a major scam. 3 are security warnings. MetaMask phishing emails. Finally, a reminder about AskHim. Many people received emails today saying MetaMask has launched its token. Click to claim. Do not click. If MetaMask were to airdrop tokens, it would never send emails. The tokens would appear directly in your wallet. These emails are all phishing scams. Clicking the authorization button will wipe your wallet of its value. Conclusion. Okay, today's Crypto Morning. The report was very informative. In summary, Bitcoin has strong support at $88,000, but be wary of volatility before the Fed's decision on December 10th. Domestic traders and OTC players must pay close attention to the 7 associations' warnings. Prioritize protecting your accounting at the end of the year and avoid RWA scams. For those seeking high returns, study Hyperliquid's HLP mechanism. For those wanting to earn free tokens, hurry up and test the abstract testnet. In this market, information asymmetry is money, but risk management determines whether you can take your money with you. If you found today's content helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Regarding CZ's move to control the listed company, do you think he's trying to create another Binance on the US stock market? Feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments section. I am your crypto intelligence officer. See you next time.